What is going on? What is going on, y'all? Man, listen, y'all know it is that time again. It's that time again. I'm over here looking at the futures, and man, it is going crazy. But listen, I just sent something out, man, over the Wall Street Warriors Worldwide group. Uh, Guys, stocks are going to bounce. They're going to bounce ahead of the Fed speech today. But listen, I'm going to stay 10 toes down in my put. Uh, but I'm also going to get it probably in a call. We're going to talk about that and more today on this edition of Option Nerds Podcast. Listen, I'm your host, Dr. Holly Mays. Man, shout out to my man, William Mathis, man, who's out there, man, riding these streets, man, doing what he's doing, man, and making a paycheck at the same time, man. Shout out to him, man. Shout out to my church family, Kingdom Faith Empowerment Center, man, located in DeSoto, Texas. Also, shout out to Point of the Pearl Clothing Line, the whole team over there, Cashmere Lewis, Zoe Brown, Ashley Wolford, and Miss Demetria Lewis, man. We love you guys, man. Thank you guys for making all of this possible, guys. But listen, we are so happy for you guys to be with us today, man. Listen, we got a couple disclaimers if y'all don't mind. The first one is, man, we want you to subscribe to our channel, man. We want you to hit that like button to get updates and notifications. We don't want you to miss anything. We're looking at doing a couple things, and we want to make sure that we drop those. The first thing is, guys, we want to make sure that you guys are preparing for the $50 a day challenge. The $50 a day challenge. Basically, what that means is I'm going to open up my portfolio. We're going to start from scratch. And we're going to start with just $100, guys. We're going to start with just $100. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to take that $100 and flip it into $50 every single day. $50 every single day for the first 30 days. Okay, and we're going to do that at 30 days at a time. We're going to go back, man, guys. You're going to have to stay connected to the show, okay? So the only way to do that is to make sure that you get notifications and to make sure you get updates, guys. Okay, I'm going to be putting some things out on our Wall Street Warrior page, so please make sure that you're paying attention to that page. For all the new people that's coming in that really don't know, listen, we are not financial advisors, so please do your own due diligence, your own research, your plays, make your own decisions. This show is for entertainment only. It's for edutainment only, which means that, hey, we're here to educate you, but we're also here to entertain you as well. So please, guys, do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't get mad at me because that play didn't work out well for you, okay? I want you to go and make sure that you have done your research. But that's okay, guys. Check this out. We're going to teach you how to do the research. We're going to teach you how to get your portfolio to where you can live day to day without having to worry about the rat race of the job. Is that fair? All right, cool. Without further ado, guys, let's jump into this thing, man. Listen, the biggest news of the day, guys, the biggest news of the day is the Fed Chairman Powell speech today. The Fed Chairman Powell speech today. Now, why is that so important? Because he's going to be talking about something called BP, basis points. Okay, right now he gave us 50 basis points earlier, which means that the government is helping us out. The government is helping us out. However, when you get those basis points, that could raise or lower inflation. All right, it's telling the people, it's telling investors we did have a weak or we have a strong market. All right, and it's very important when Powell speaks. Okay, so right now they're flirting with 75 basis points, 100 basis points, and let me be very clear with you guys. If he says anything, if he says the word 75, guess what? The market is probably going to shoot straight down. All right, it's going to shoot straight down, guys, because it doesn't feel like it's a strong enough market or a strong enough economy to sustain what certain companies are doing or what's going on in the market. So people are going to panic sell and they're going to say, hey, I'm taking my money and I'm just going to hold it because liquid cash is better than no cash. All right, I'm going to say it again. Liquid cash is better than no cash. All right. So please, guys, make sure that you guys are paying attention. Let me see if I can share this to my Facebook page, man. Are we tapped in on the Facebook page? We're not. Yeah, I was talking to Mr. Mathis. Let's see what we got here, guys. Are we on here? I would think we are. Okay, cool. Yes, we are. All right, cool. All right. So, guys, let's get into some plays real quick, man. But if he again, if he says 75, if he says 50, he says 50, great. But if we go 75, which I expect him to do, listen, normally, traditionally, when right after Fed Chairman Powell speaks or right before he speaks, man, listen, the market just doesn't take it well, and boom, that thing just goes straight down. So, guys, pay attention to that and make sure that you guys are looking at that. Listen, let's get into some plays, okay? The first play, man, listen, let me get back to my charts. Back to my charts. All right. So the first play is Macy's. Listen, I'm not particularly sold on retail plays. However, Macy's has been doing a really good job over the past couple of days. Yesterday it had an choppy, kind of a up and down type movement. I do like Macy's, but I'm not going to do a lot with Macy's. So if Macy's goes up to about 22, I'm probably going to be looking at putting in a call. If it goes to probably up around 21.13, I'm probably going to be looking at a put. Personally, I'm going to wait until it goes to $21 because of the choppiness in the market. It depends on the time that it goes back. Guys, that's another thing I want you guys to understand. When we put these numbers out, I want you to understand you got to look at the time. Okay, if it's 8:30 and Macy's goes to $22, I'm not going to put a call because the volatility of the market is still rapid. So that thing can go up to 22 just like it can come down to 19. So guys, I always tell you guys, please make sure that you do your due diligence, you are patient in the market, and you're really waiting the first 15, bare minimum 15 minutes to 30 minutes before you get in any play, unless you're an experienced investor, okay? If you're just now starting, if you're under 2 years or a year of investing, I'm going to say, hey, wait till about 9 o'clock. Until you really know the market is kind of in an uptrend or a downtrend, even wait till 9:30. But guys, I'm telling you right now, as soon as the market opens up, you're going to get a quick bounce. Right now, Macy's is up 0.64%. It's up up to $21.94, 14 cents higher than the close of business yesterday at $21.80. So guys, it is in an uptrend, but so is every other stock prior to the Fed Chairman Powell's speech, okay, guys? So pay attention, guys. You may have to look at something before the speech and after the speech. You're going to have 2 times to really get into this. But, guys, it's going to be short-lived after the speech because he speaks at 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock Central, 2 o'clock Eastern time. All right? The next play, guys, I'm looking at, guys, is NIO. Listen, I love NIO. I love what it did yesterday. However, I think you can get a short burst today. So I made the call, the place I put my call in a little bit closer to where it ended on where it is in the pre-market. Right now, let me go to my charts. Let me go. God forgive me. All right, so NIO right now is at $19. Okay, it's at $19, and personally, it's up almost 2% in the pre-market. But I want you to understand something. NIO had a massive hike yesterday. Okay, so with that being understood, I want you to understand there's going to be volatility in this. Okay, now NIO is still going to run with the VIX. It's still going to run with Tesla. It's still going to run with all of these plays. Okay, however, what you need to look at is the first 30 minutes of the market. You need to look at the first 30, maybe 45 minutes of the market. I'm looking at NIO to go possibly closer to 1950, maybe even going up to $20. However, remember, Fed Chairman Powell, they're still waiting on this decision. Now watch this now. If somehow, some way we get if some way, somehow we get somebody gets a sneak preview into what the Fed Chairman Powell is going to do, you're going to see this either go. You're going to see it go up. Okay, you're going to see it go up a little bit. However, if we don't know what Fed Chairman Powell is going to do, and we don't know whether he's going to pull out 75 basis points or he's going to pull out 100 basis points or even 150 basis points, this thing is going to drop. Okay, so guys, pay attention, guys. I'm going to be at the market. I'm going to be in the market all day today. So please pay attention. And when it gets to about 19, right now it's at 18.95. It's going down a little bit, but when I see this thing get to about 19.25, 19.30, that's really high for Tesla. For NIO, that's really going up. I'm probably going to put in a call. However, if I see it begin to dip and this thing never recovers past 19.25, 19, I'm just not going to get in. I'm just being honest with you, okay? So please do your due diligence, guys. AMD, I've been holding at 108 AMD call for 2 weeks, and I don't know why. I have lost money in this play, but I still believe in AMD. I still think that AMD is a good company. I think it's a good play. It did not do bad yesterday. And that's Advanced Micro Devices for you guys who don't know. But it did not do bad yesterday. It looks like it may touch 90 today. It's at 87.89 this morning. I believe there's a lot of possibility in the market in the beginning, okay? So I think this would be one exception to being able to possibly say, okay, well, hey, at about 8.35, 8.40, I may go ahead and make a decision on what I'm going to do because we know the market's going to go up. We know because of rate hikes, we know it's going to go up, okay? Because it's going to prepare to drop right back down. So right now, investors are saying, okay, let me catch it at this attractive price and let me run this thing all the way up and then ride this thing all the way down. That's just an investment strategy, okay? That's all it is. That's an investment strategy, okay? Because I know somebody might be saying, wait, hold on. Don't it make sense just to wait till 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock Central Time and just let the market go down? And that's a more attractive price to get the stock. Well, it would make sense if all investors didn't like making money. Okay, so since all investors like making money, and guess what? They're not going to wait till 1 or 2 o'clock before they start making money. So guys, look for a boom, and that's why I think that AMD may get up to about $90, which I think is a great raise on it. And if it does do that, guys, jump in. If it doesn't, guys, catch it at the fall of 80 when it hits to we're down by 85. It will get down to $85, $86. And then get in it there, guys. But I'm just taking a look at it. Remember, guys, the name of the option game is making money. Catching the lows, selling on the highs. Okay, catching the lows, buying on the lows, selling the highs, guys. It's not about what you think or what you feel, guys. It's all about the information that you have. Do your due diligence and do your research, guys. Because watch this, we're giving you edutainment only. All right. The next one, guys, and I love this. I love this play. A lot of my counterparts might not agree with me, but I really do like Walgreens. Walgreens boot lines. I do. I like Walgreens boots. The reason why is because, man, I just like the company. I told people a long time ago what Walgreens was going to do. I actually said, and Walgreens did hit $50, guys, but it came back down, guys. So we did say that, but listen, we're rinsing and repeating right now. So right now, Walgreens, I apologize, is at $40.47, which is 0.67% in the pre-market. I do believe we may see $41. If we see $41, I'm going to kind of put my hand on the button because I think we're in the uptrend. I am going to wait till it gets to about $41.75. Shout out to Chart Zaddy on Chris Sain's Discord for this play. I am going to be looking at this around $42 or $41.85 mark before I decide to put a call in. However, again, because of the Fed Chairman's speech, guys, we got to look for the dip. Guys, in every play that you do, you have to look for the dip. You cannot let a play go all the way. For this instance, you cannot let the play go up to $41.75, then the 42, then the 42.50, and then decide, oh, okay, well, I'm going to let it come all the way back down to $39.77 before I decide to get in the put. No, you got to take the 2 to 3% loss, bare minimum, highest point 5% loss, depending on how big a small play is. If it's a small play, obviously, hey, I'll take a 10% loss. But if it's a $200, if I paid $200 to get into this chart, to get into this contract, and you're talking about 10% loss, you're talking about $20. Okay, I don't want to lose $20. Maybe I do. I'm not gonna beat you up on it, but I'm only looking at maybe a $5 to $10 loss, guys. That's just me, because $5 to $10 can mean a lot of money. in my portfolio. That could be the difference between me getting a banger and me not having enough money to get into something, and now I don't make the profits that we put in the goal setting for the day, guys. So listen, do your due diligence, set your goals, make sure you steadfast. I do look for Walgreens to possibly go up to that 41.75. It may not happen right now, guys. I know it's going to go down to 39. I know it's going to go to 39.77. So as soon as I see the dip, I'm probably going to put a put in there. Listen, I got a put in Tesla right now. So let me just tell you that, guys. I have a put in Tesla. I carried over my put in Tesla. A lot of people are like, oh, why do you do that? Because it's going to tank. It's going to go down. All right, it just is, and I pray when the market opens up, it goes down. We're going to look at Tesla in just a second. The next thing we're looking at, guys, is good old faithful Walmart, guys. We're looking at Walmart today, guys. Listen, right now, Walmart, guys, is sitting right at $119.85. It went up 39 cents in the aftermarket, in the pre-market, and it ended in the aftermarket at about 5 cents higher. Guys, it is up 0.33%, guys. It is in an uptrend. However, just kind of taking a look at it just for a second. The thing that got Walmart, Kroger's, and all these stores really pumped up is the fact that now they are in a chain of supply and demand. What that means is, guys, they have a baby formula outage, and what that is saying is that, hey, listen, they're in demand. So, guys, I'm telling you guys, Walmart will kind of see 120. Walmart will see 120. Now, here's the deal. Will Walmart see 120, and then will it see 121? Will it see 122? That I don't know. Walmart is so volatile in situations like this that I just don't know, okay? However, be prepared for the drop on Walmart, okay? Please be prepared for Walmart to drop under 119, okay? Be prepared for that. Be prepared for it to go over 120. Be prepared for it to drop under 119, okay? That's just what it's going to do, okay? Again, guys, let me say this. The market is so topsy-turvy right now that we don't know what's going to happen, guys, okay? I can put these plays out and I can tell you guys, hey, do this. This is what we're doing. This is what we're looking at. But I need you to understand the market is going to be topsy-turvy. Guys, real quick, you're just kind of going over the plays again so you guys can see them. Macy's positive 21.97 and put a call in. Negative 21.13, look at putting a put in, guys. NEO, guys, this is my play on today. This is Tesla, guys. So take a look at it, guys. If you're going to put a call in, wait till it hits about 19.30. If you're going to put a put in, wait till it drops under $19, guys. AMD, guys. Please, guys, take a look at this. This is one of the most volatile stocks on the downtrend that I have seen in recent times. I remember when this thing was at 103. Okay, when it was at 101, well, actually it was at 102. Okay, so guys, please pay attention to this. Also, Walgreens, guys, please take a look at this, guys. Please take a look at this. Okay, just going over the plays again, and of course, Walmart, guys. Walmart, guys. Companies that I'm looking at today. I'm looking at SPY, Tesla, Moderna, Apple, and I'm looking at ChargePoint. Okay, I'm looking at ChargePoint. Again, SPY, Tesla. We may test 483. Let me go to the SPY so I can go. Okay, guys, I believe we may test 383 today. 380. Right now, it's the SPY is up $3.43, which is roughly about almost 1%. And the pre-market, guys, it's at 377. I think we could test 380. I think we can move on to 383. However, guys, pay attention to the VIX. Please pay attention to the volatility of the conversation that are caused by the conversations throughout the day, guys. We talked about in the options class, if you joined us for that, getting educational media that you are sticking to and looking at on a consistent basis to get consistent information about what's going on within the day that you are in, guys. Depending on the information that comes out, guys, the SPY could go up to 380, could go up to 383, but guys could also dip, guys. So please pay attention, because the same CNBC, MSNBC, Bloomberg report, Forbes list, all of the Wall Street Journal that you're reading and looking at, so are the investors in these companies that you're looking at, okay? So please make sure you are paying attention to what's going on so you can catch the volatility to the upside or the downside before it actually happens. Don't be in a play and then all of a sudden you go to the restroom and then you come back and next thing you know you done lost $100, guys. So please pay attention. Tesla, guys, one back, which is on my watch list, guys. Just really kind of give you guys my watch list. Tesla is up. Let me see, are we right? Yeah. Tesla is up $3.71, 0.56% in the pre-market. Let me be very clear with you guys. It's up $4 now. But listen, guys, this is not a great increase for Tesla. All right. This is not huge for Tesla. I want you to understand this. It's not huge. So if you're sitting up here looking at Tesla like, oh my God, it's in the uptrend. No, this is not really an uptrend in Tesla. When you see an uptrend in Tesla right now, it would be at $10, up $10, $11. The reason why it's not is because they understand what's about to happen when the Fed Chairman Powell speaks. Okay, they understand. So right now, Tesla is riding on the VIX right now. If the VIX goes down, then you'll see Tesla soar. So listen to me, do me a favor. We're not getting in Tesla till possibly around 8:45, 9 o'clock. Even if Tesla spikes up, but I'm not getting in Tesla. I may, it just depends. But I'm not gonna let Tesla hit $10 up, positive $10 without me. But I'm also not gonna let it go down $10 with me. You understand? Unless I'm putting in a put. So please pay attention to Tesla. Okay? Please pay attention, all right? Moderna, guys, look at Moderna. It's a slow grower, but Moderna, it looks like it's on an uptrend, guys. Apple is still riding their wave from its conference, guys. So please make sure you take a look at Apple. Apple is a great company. But listen, guys, Apple still goes with the S&P 500. It still goes with some of the other big cap stocks like Facebook and all of that, guys. So please pay attention to what Apple is doing, guys. I look for Apple. Let me go to Apple. I do look for Apple to probably get to 135 today. I do. I'm not sure how fast it's going to get there because I really haven't been looking at Apple like that. I've been really focusing on Tesla. I've been focusing on SPY. I've been focusing on things like NEO, and I've been focusing on the VIX really heavy. But like CrowdStrike as well. But Apple looks like it may get to about $35. But listen, I think it's short-lived. I think you're going to see Apple go down to the 120s today. I'm not. I just believe that Apple is going to do that. I believe because the market is so fearful of what Fed Chairman Powell is going to say that it's just crazy. Okay, guys, listen. Now we are up to the voice of reason thought of the day, guys. Listen, it didn't change a lot from yesterday. I actually added one. The first one is don't fall for the okie doke, guys. Listen. Everybody's going to get pumped up this morning. Oh, my God, the market is going crazy. Listen, don't fall for the okie doke. I'm telling you right now, do not fall for the okie doke. It ain't what it looked like, okay? Everything's going up. Oh, my God. No, you may get, if it's going to go up and you there to watch it, get your bag, all right? Go ahead and get your bag. Quit being stubborn. Quit being lazy. Go ahead and get your bag. But you better know it's going to fall. So please don't think that this is one of those days where you finna see Tesla go to 700. It's not. It's not. It's not going to 700 this morning. Now it may do it Friday. It may do it next week, but it's not going to do it today. Okay, guys. So please do your own due diligence. Please take your time. Stick to the game plan. Number 2, stick to the game plan. Write it down right now. Hey, these are the plays I'm looking at. This is when I'm going to get in. This is when I'm going to get out. This is the number I'm looking for. Stick to the game plan, guys. The next one, guys, is only looking about 3 plays today, guys. 3 plays. I'm just telling you, mine is Tesla, CrowdStrike, and what else I got on here? Tesla, CrowdStrike, and SPY. That's all I'm looking at. I'm not looking at any. I know there's a lot of plays. I know there's a lot of things going on. I know people say a lot of different things. I'm not looking at that. I'm only looking at Tesla, CrowdStrike, and SPY. That's it. All right. The next one, guys, trust the market, what the market shows you. Okay. Watch the VIX. Watch the VIX. Trust what the market shows you, guys. If it's showing you red, it's red. If it's showing you green, it's green. Okay. Don't make it something that it's not. All right. Don't be the way it's going to come back. No, it won't. All right, I'm not losing more than 5%, 10% maybe in my Tesla put. If it goes down, and great. If it goes up and it skyrockets, I'm going to quickly put in a call and I'm going to get out of my put. I don't care what it looks like. All right, and guys, watch for shift before and after Fed speech. This was huge. That's why I put it in bold letters. Watch the shift before and after the Fed speech. Make sure you are 10 toes down and your eyes are glued to the TV and your ears are glued to the sound, because, guys, you need to make sure that you catch that shift. If you don't catch that shift, I'm telling you right now, if you're in a call and you're doing something else and he's getting ready to speak and he's about an hour from speaking or 30 minutes from speaking and you don't catch that shift, by the time you come back from doing whatever you're doing, listen, you're already in the negative. All right, so please catch that shift. Guys, that's my time, guys. I love you with the love of the Lord. Remember to uplift Christ wherever you go. And do me a favor, make the rest of your day the best of your day. Do me a favor, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Get that thumbs up, man. It tells the algorithms that you kind of feel some type of way about us. And we also want to make sure that you get updates, guys, and notifications about when we come on and we give you this game, guys. We love you, guys. We do option everything, guys. We are the options king over here at Option Nerds Podcast, man. Shout out to William Mathis, man. Let's get up. Peace.